Now we're going to look at the Technicians portal. The technicians can use this mobile app to view their job assignments and record all of their repairs and workshop tasks. So when we first log in, we're taken to the home page, and this tells us what we're currently logged into. Currently we're logged into an indirect code, which is waiting for an assignment, but if we were logged on to another job, that would be listed here. So if we click down into the Work tab, this shows us our current assignments. So we can see here that this job from earlier is assigned to us, along with the 2 defects. So if we need to, we can click on the vehicle up here to view information about the vehicle. We can click onto the jobs to view information about the jobs. So this tells us things such as where the job came from, if there's any estimate hours, and if there's any notes, and if there's any parts currently booked to it. So once we've reviewed all of that, we want to log on to the first of these jobs. So we simply click that button, and now we're logged in. Now that we're logged onto the job, the mobile app is going to accrue labour time for this job. So we simply just need to put the tablet down and get on with what we need to do, and the tablet is going to record the real-time duration. Once we're done, the application will send the labour time back to the main system. Once a bit of time has passed, let's say we've had a look at the defect and we have actually found a fault that needs repairing. So we can go ahead and we can add that job to the work order. So we simply click onto the work order, we go to add a new job, and we construct a job code. So using the code set up in the system, we build up a 3-part job code. So let's say repair. If it's more convenient than scrolling, we can type in the keywords and perform a search. And then we select the final part of the job code. Next we'll be asked to provide a job reason. So this is why is the repair happening. I'm going to select fair wear and tear. And it will tell me at the top there if the system thinks that the job is applicable for a warranty violation. So after we've done that, the job will be added to the work order. So if we go back into our assignments, we can see that repair job. So we would close down the inspection, we'd mark the inspection as completed, and we would log on to the repairing task. So we come off the inspection, we mark that as completed, and then we log on to the repair. And it's simply a case of repeating that for all of the tasks which are assigned. If we need to issue parts, this can easily be done. We click here onto issue part. We select the inventory location we're taking the part from, and we enter the part number that we've used. We can either key the part number in, or if there's a barcode, we can scan the barcode and that will look the part up. If we're performing a routine job and there's part kits set up to be used for that routine job, they would also be listed here. So I'll enter the part number that I've used. So that can be added to our cart, and we can repeat this process to add multiple parts at the same time. So we can add more parts to the cart if necessary. If not, we simply go on to issue parts, and then the parts have been issued to the job. So once everything's completed again, we simply mark this job as completed. We can add notes if applicable. And we want to do the same thing with the other defect. So let's go through and mark this as completed as well. If jobs can't be worked on for whatever reason, we can also identify that via the mobile app. So if the job is waiting for parts, or it's waiting for authority, or it's waiting for space or waiting for labour, we can make that update, and then people can see why the job isn't moving forward. So I'll mark it as done, and that's that job completed as well. So once all of those defects have been addressed and repaired, we can mark the work order as completed, indicating that the vehicle is ready to be collected. So now the driver should be able to collect that vehicle.